I'm just making a video because I want to get this stuff out here, because I know if I don't like record this now and spend like time writing it out and all that, then it never gets put out. All right, so what's going on is that essentially there's a fatal flaw in the merge from proof of work Ethereum to proof of stake, where basically what's going to happen during the merge, from my understanding, and someone please correct me if I'm wrong, because I've talked to many people and they all say the same thing, which leads me to believe that I'm right about this. And then everyone's argument always is, no, you're not, but all the technicals, everyone says says that I am. So, all right, so the proof of work merge, basically it's a block from the proof of work miners that gets passed on to proof of stake. This is, some people call it like a baton pass or whatever. You're just passing along the proof of work chain to the proof of stake chain. And it happens at one block, just like how every change happens at a specific block. So that block, proof of stake miners or proof of stake validators do not validate anything on the proof of work chain. They don't validate that any of these blocks are correct or anything like that. So when this block gets passed on to proof of stake from proof of work, there's no way that I'm aware of for the proof of stake validators to know that what the miners are sending them is correct. Sorry guys, I cut off that video before finishing my thoughts. So what's going to happen, what can happen, is during this baton pass, the miners send an incorrect block with false transactions, with incorrect transactions, manipulated transactions over to the proof of stake network. So let's say, I don't know, block 151. I know it's much higher than that, but for example, let's say that the transition happens at block 151. So once block 151 comes along and the miners pass along, the proof of work miners pass along that block into the proof of stake chain. So now block 151 is the starting point of the proof of stake chain. Well, there's no validation process between that the stakers are doing to validate that block 151 is correct. So the miners can pass along an incorrect block and the proof of stake network will not know at all that it's wrong. I mean, they won't know that there were transactions changed, that the account balances are wrong.